Hello dear student, now we are going to study function generator, after that digital storage oscilloscope and spectrum analyzer. Now first we will see function generator. So this is block diagram of function generator. Okay, so in this block diagram, this is input, this is input signal, that is frequency control network. Okay, so this is externally applied voltage to the input of this block diagram of function generator. Okay, so we can increase or decrease this frequency of this voltage by this wiper. Okay, now in this diagram there are two current sources that we are applying to this op amp. Okay, so this is constant current source 1, and this is constant current source 2. This is also called as upper constant current source and lower constant current source. Okay, so this voltage can be adjusted by adjusting the frequency of this externally applied voltage. Okay, so here there are two sources of constant current, and this constant current we are applying to integrator circuit. So this is op amp and this is capacitor which is connected into this diagram. So this becomes integrator circuit. Okay, so this capacitor is feedback. Now in these two constant current sources are there, upper constant current source and lower constant current source, and this current source is applied to integrator circuit. Okay, now what is the function of this integrator circuit? Integrator circuit will produce these types of waveforms. These are the triangular or sawtooth waveforms. So this is the main output of the integrator circuit. Okay, now how these triangular waves can be generated by the integrator? Now we will see that when this upper constant current source or source 1 is switched on, then sawtooth waveform will increase from, so like this, so like this here. When upper constant current source switch is on and lower constant current source switch is off, then current flowing into integrator. Okay, and at this time this slope will be formed from this 0 to peak value. So this is positive slope of this triangular waveform. And when lower constant current source is on and upper constant current source is off, then current flows in reverse direction into the integrator. Okay, see again, when upper constant current source is on, then current flowing into integrator circuit into, so I have shown here, and this lower constant current source at that time is switch off. At that time your positive slope of this triangular wave is generated. So from 0 to peak value, so this is your positive slope of this triangular waveform. And when for the next negative slope from peak to again 0 value. Okay, so at that time upper constant current source is off and lower constant current source is on, and current flows in reverse direction of this integrator circuit. Okay, so like that these two slopes can be generated, positive slope and negative slope, from 0 to peak and again from peak to 0, and again this action get repeated. Okay, at that time this capacitor get charged. Okay, when upper constant current source is on and lower constant current source is off, this capacitor will get charged, and when lower constant current source is on and upper constant current source is off, at that time this capacitor will get discharged. Okay, now in this diagram from this point to this point your capacitor will be discharging, and from this point to this point your capacitor of this integrator will discharge. Okay, so like that triangular waveforms can be generated by the output of this integrator. No, okay. So this is a function generator. What is the function of function generator? It delivers